Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys and welcome to the part 2 of the greetings in Arabic language. Let's watch the video. Assalamu alaikum wa alaikum assalam. من أين أنت؟ أنا من مصر. هل أنت مصري؟ نعم أنا مصري. وما جنسيتك أنت؟ أنا إيراني. أنا من إيران. أهلا وسهلا. أهلا وسهلا.
Okay, Assalamu alaikum wa alaikum assalam. We reviewed these two phrases in the previous video, and now we want to know how to ask where are you from? Min aina anta? Here it is. Min aina anta? Min is from, aina is where, anta is you. Where are you from? Ana min Misr. I'm from Egypt. Egypt, okay? So it's a noun. I'm from Egypt. But let's take a look at this one. هل أنت مصري? Are you Egyptian? Egyptian, Egypt. This one is the name of the country, but this one is an adjective, right? Nationality, but this one is the country. Okay, next one. نعم وما جنسيتك أنت? Yes, and what is your nationality? Nationality, جنسية means nationality. أنا إيراني. أنا من إيران. I'm Iranian. I'm from Iran. As you can see, the first one is an adjective. The second one is the name of the country, and it's a noun. It's an adjective. Okay, in this video, we had two important phrases. من أين أنت? أنا من. Okay, let's see. من أين أنت? من أين أنت? Both of them means where are you from, but this one is used for females. من أين هو? Where is he from? من أين هي? Where is she from? Okay? She, he, you. Female, male, female, male. Okay? Next one. أنا من. For example, أنا باكستاني. أنا من باكستان. I'm Pakistani. I'm from Pakistan. Okay, it's really easy. أنا سوري. أنا من سوريا. I'm Syrian. I'm from Syria. Next one is about Turkey, and next one is about Egypt. أنا مصري. أنا من مصر. I'm Egyptian. I'm from Egypt. Okay, the last one is أهلا وسهلا, which means welcome. And you can answer it like this. أهلا وسهلا بك or أهلا وسهلا بكم. I hope you enjoyed this video. If this video was useful for you, don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. See you soon and good luck.